Well guys, naiwan na naman ako. Ako na naman mag-isa. Anyway, ang tagal kasi ng transport ko. Hindi ako nakapag-reels ng Saturday and Sunday. As in, pahinga mode. Ayan, yan po yung area namin. Ayan. Pahinga mode ako kasi may ubo. Pero at least effective yung At least, I think so, hiyang ako sa Sinicon for the cough. Tapos, yung sa sipon ko, binigyan lang niya ako ng antihistamine, which is already okay. Ayan. May nakita tuloy akong pulis. Ayan guys, mainit pa dito sa Dubai, but it's not really that hot. So at least, hopefully, papasok na yung winter. And I'm looking forward to it. Hindi, may Pasko pa pala. So, hopefully, I'm doing well sa work. Okay naman siya. So, ibang na naman. So, another half, or not really another half, but the onboarding process na ako. So, at least, iba kasi yung procedures nila. So, I already, not really mastered the exit, but at least I know already. And then, so, we have to do a lot of filings. And then, with the next thing, onboarding na ako para at least complete na yung handover para sa akin.